factors occur naturally in our skin, and they're really important for several reasons. Growth factors help our cells to communicate with each other, which helps to produce things like collagen and elastin, which keep our skin tight and firm and young looking. Growth factors also help to keep the skin smooth and plump, again, which makes us look young. Unfortunately, we lose growth factors as we age. TNS Essential Serum contains 94.6% true growth factors, the highest percentage available on the market. So by putting this on our skin twice daily, we essentially recreate what our cells used to be able to do and help our skin to look better. Right now at Genesis, if you buy this amazing product, we will give you TNS Essential Eye for free. That's a $104 value. Come and talk to us and learn how to make your skin look beautiful.